Here's a refined script for the slide. Title page, Table of Contents for Business Entrepreneurship Crash Course for MBA. In this chapter, we will cover the basics of entrepreneurship, its importance, the key characteristics of successful entrepreneurs, the entrepreneurial mindset, the entrepreneurial process, and conclude with a summary of the key points. Let's dive in. Today, we will dive into the exciting world of entrepreneurship. This topic is essential in business as it involves the process of identifying opportunities, creating innovative solutions, and driving economic growth. Get ready to explore how entrepreneurs shape industries and create new possibilities in the market. Validated learning is essential for entrepreneurs as it allows them to test their assumptions and hypotheses through real-world experiments and data analysis. This process helps them gather concrete evidence, personalized recommendations, exclusive content, and a user-friendly interface to retain its subscribers. By continuously providing value, Netflix reduces churn rates and maintains a loyal customer base. Similarly, a local coffee shop utilizes a loyalty program to incentivize repeat visits by offering discounts and perks to loyal customers, fostering brand loyalty and a sense of community. Additionally, an e-commerce platform enhances customer retention by providing excellent customer service and personalized recommendations, thereby boosting customer satisfaction and lifetime value. These examples highlight the importance of implementing effective customer retention strategies to ensure long-term success in business ventures. Today, we will be diving into the key concepts in entrepreneurship that form the backbone of any successful business venture. These concepts, such as innovation, market research, and risk management, are crucial for entrepreneurs to understand as they navigate the complexities of starting and growing their businesses. Let's explore how these elements come together to shape the entrepreneurial journey. Innovation is crucial for entrepreneurs to stay ahead of the competition and meet the changing needs of customers. Companies like Apple and Tesla are prime examples of how innovative products can disrupt industries. A well-designed business model is essential for creating, delivering, and capturing value in a profitable and sustainable way. Subscription-based models like Netflix and SaaS models like Salesforce have proven successful in today's business landscape. Market research helps entrepreneurs understand their target market, competition, and industry trends to identify opportunities and make informed decisions. Airbnb's success is attributed to extensive market research that led to a disruptive business model. A clear value proposition is necessary for explaining how a product or service solves a customer's problem and differentiates itself from competitors. Companies like Uber excel in communicating their value proposition centered around convenience, affordability, and reliability. Effective risk management is vital for entrepreneurs to identify, assess, and mitigate potential risks that could impact their business. Diversifying revenue streams, having a contingency plan, and purchasing insurance are common risk management strategies employed by entrepreneurs to ensure long-term success. Innovation is the lifeblood of entrepreneurship. It's all about coming up with fresh ideas, products, or methods that can make a positive impact. Think of it as the driving force behind staying ahead in the competitive business world. Innovation is crucial for businesses to remain competitive and meet the changing needs of customers. Take Apple, for example, known for its innovative products like the iPhone that have revolutionized the smartphone industry. By continuously introducing new features, Apple has stayed ahead in the market. During the COVID-19 pandemic, many restaurants had to innovate by offering delivery services and contactless payment options to adapt to the new market conditions. Overall, innovation is a key driver of success for businesses, helping them differentiate from competitors and stay relevant in a rapidly changing world. SWOT analysis is a strategic planning tool used to identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of a business or project. It helps in understanding the internal and external factors that can impact the success of a venture. By analyzing these factors, individuals can make informed decisions and develop effective strategies. For instance, a company can assess its competitive advantages, strengths, and areas needing improvement, weaknesses, as well as potential growth opportunities, and external risks, threats in the market. This analysis guides entrepreneurs in maximizing their strengths, minimizing weaknesses, capitalizing on opportunities, and mitigating threats to achieve sustainable growth and success. Understanding the significance of SWOT analysis is crucial for entrepreneurs in making strategic decisions for their ventures. In a business model, we have 4 key components to consider: the value proposition, target market, revenue sources, and cost structure. The value proposition is what sets your company apart and gives customers a reason to choose your product or service. For example, Apple's innovative technology and sleek design are part of their value proposition. Identifying the target market is crucial, as it helps define the specific group of customers your company aims to serve. Revenue sources outline how your company will make money, whether through product sales, subscriptions, advertising, or other means. Understanding the cost structure is essential for profitability, as it includes all expenses incurred in running the business. For instance, McDonald's cost structure includes food ingredients, labor costs, rent, and marketing expenses. By carefully considering these components, entrepreneurs can create a sustainable and profitable business model that guides their company towards long-term success. In this slide, we delve into specific examples of business models that have made a significant impact in the entrepreneurial landscape. Subscription-based models like Netflix have gained popularity by offering customers access to a product or service for a recurring fee, providing a steady stream of revenue for the business while offering convenience and value to customers. E-commerce models, exemplified by Amazon, have revolutionized the way people shop by allowing them to browse and purchase products online, opening up new opportunities for businesses to reach a global audience. On-demand service models, such as and focus on addressing the most critical threats to their business. This proactive approach helps businesses navigate challenges more effectively and increases their chances of success in the competitive market landscape. Market research is like the compass that guides entrepreneurs in the right direction. It helps them understand their target market, stay ahead of competitors, and seize opportunities for success in their business ventures. Market research is a critical aspect of entrepreneurship that involves understanding the target market, competition, and industry trends. It plays a vital role in making informed decisions, identifying opportunities, and minimizing risks. By delving into its own set of pros and cons, so it's crucial to carefully assess which one aligns best with your business goals and financial needs. Let's explore these funding options further to help you make informed decisions for your startup. In this slide, we delve into real-world examples of how market research is applied in different industries. Tech startups use market research to gauge the demand for their products, ensuring they invest resources wisely. Retail companies rely on market insights to understand consumer preferences and behaviors, guiding their product assortment, pricing, and marketing strategies. Similarly, restaurants leverage market research to stay updated on local dining trends, adjusting their menus to cater to evolving customer tastes and remain competitive. These examples highlight the practical importance of market research in shaping business decisions and strategies across various sectors. Today, we're diving into the concept of a value proposition. This is essentially the unique selling point that sets a company apart from its competitors and convinces customers why they should choose their product or service. Let's explore what you desire. The importance of a strong value proposition cannot be overstated. It differentiates a company from its competitors in the market and helps attract and retain customers. Take Amazon, for example, with its wide selection of products, fast delivery, and excellent customer service. By consistently delivering on their value proposition, Amazon has built customer loyalty and maintained a competitive edge. A well-crafted value proposition is essential for any business looking to succeed in today's competitive landscape. It serves as a guiding principle for product development, marketing strategies, and overall business growth. By clearly articulating the unique value that a company provides, it can effectively attract and retain customers, ultimately leading to long-term success. Apple's iPhone stands out with its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and seamless integration with other Apple products. This unique combination appeals to consumers who prioritize aesthetics and ease of use. Amazon, on the other hand, differentiates itself with a wide selection of products, fast shipping, and competitive prices, making it a go-to destination for many shoppers. Tesla's value proposition focuses on high-performance electric vehicles with cutting-edge technology, attracting eco-conscious consumers and tech enthusiasts. These examples showcase how companies can set themselves apart from competitors by offering unique benefits that cater to the needs and desires of their target market. User testing is a critical step in the process of building a minimum viable product, MVP, as it allows entrepreneurs to gather feedback from real users. By engaging with actual users, entrepreneurs can gain valuable insights into how their product is being perceived and used in real-world scenarios. This feedback is essential for identifying any issues or areas for improvement in the MVP before launching it to a wider audience. For example, user testing can reveal usability issues, bugs, or features that are not meeting user needs, enabling entrepreneurs to make necessary adjustments to enhance the product's overall user experience. Ultimately, user testing helps entrepreneurs validate their assumptions, refine their product, and increase the likelihood of success in the market. In this slide, we delve deeper into the various examples of risks that entrepreneurs may encounter in the business world. Financial risks encompass market fluctuations and unexpected expenses, which can significantly impact a company's revenue and profitability. Operational risks, on the other hand, revolve around day-to-day operations, such as equipment failure and supply chain disruptions, leading to production delays and delivery issues. Strategic risks involve challenges to a company's long-term strategy, like the entry of new competitors that can threaten market share. Lastly, compliance risks stem from changes in regulations, like environmental or data privacy laws, which may require costly upgrades and impact operations. These examples highlight the diverse and complex nature of risks that entrepreneurs must navigate in the pursuit of business success. All right, let's wrap up this chapter on Introduction to Entrepreneurship with a quick summary. We covered essential topics like innovation, business models, market research, value propositions, and risk management, all crucial for anyone looking to dive into the world of entrepreneurship. In today's class, we delved into the essential concepts of entrepreneurship, including innovation, business models, market research, value propositions, and risk management. Understanding these principles is vital for anyone looking to venture into the world of entrepreneurship. Thank you for your attention. Any questions? Today, we delved into the dynamic realm of entrepreneurship and its boundless opportunities. Remember, the key to mastering this field is through hands-on experience. So I urge you to dream big, embrace risks, and never shy away from seeking answers. Thank you for your focus. Any questions?